The Danish Competition and Consumer Authority ensures fair and open business practices throughout Denmark. With rapidly accelerating data volumes for digital investigations, the agency recently deployed the Nuix Investigator Lab with web review and analytics to allow it to meet its tight legislative timescales and demanding caseload for investigating cartels.
My role is to run our lab together with my colleague, and that's preparing, that's what tools to use and how to organize the investigations. But in the specific investigations,
it involves getting into the field and gathering data to take back home to the office and
process the case and make it ready for our investigators to be able to do searches.
Legislation gives us 40 working days from data acquisition until we have to present a finished case. So
we need to have data ready for the investigators within a week, so we don't use a lot of time of processing instead of investigations.
Processing a week is a tough job.
You have to minimize the amount of time where the computer is not doing anything.
Per case, we typically process 2 to 3 terabytes of data.
My name is Jacob Isaacsen. I'm heading the Digital Forensics Department at D60, an implementation partner with Dell and Nuix. It was easier than expected to install and configure the solution. Nuix onboarded a solutions consultant from the beginning that helped us execute a project as planned.
My role in this implementation has been making sure that the physical platform was up to spec, especially regarding the performance requirements. That requirement needed us to redesign the way the networking was done. So we were able to do a good communication between ourselves and Nuix and create a platform that performed to specs.
We started working with Nuix because we had an off-site job where we had to process the data on-site, and we bought one dongle, and then it kind of escalated into 5 dongles working on single machines, and now we have upgraded to the Nuix Lab Edition.
Our most important KPI is time and the quality of the data that we deliver to our investigators.
Since we installed the Nuix Lab, it's been easier to meet the time frames.
Nuix helps us with delivering a piece of software that is easy to handle when you have set up your best practice of how you would like to process the case.
It's more versatile in handling data, flexible for case handlers.
Before doing this interview, we have started the computers, and they are running right now, and we are not missing anything during this interview. I think the quality is in the search phase of the investigation. So the investigator that is searching needs to have a reliable software where when he searches for something, he gets the hits that he's looking for. At the end of the investigation, it's possible for us to create a report with all the files that have been tagged during the investigation. So I think the tagging feature is working very well.
My role after the installation of Nuix here at the Danish Competition and Consumer Authority is to help the company adapt and gain the most from their solution. That's one thing from Nuix that I particularly like, and that's how you can tailor the processing settings. So you can process some data in a very short time frame just to get a general overview, or you can go deep down with the processing. And how you can do it in multiple steps is one thing that I find very valuable for a company.
Through the implementation, Nuix supported us with training, and also we had a workshop where we looked at our processes.
The most positive thing about working with Nuix is that even though it's a premium technology used all over the world, the people at Nuix, the people who have the knowledge to help whenever it's needed, is very easy to get a hold on.
I would recommend Nuix to other authorities.
I would love to work with Nuix again.